Hi Baritones, welcome back. Today we're going to do Accent Book 2, page 14. In the upper left-hand corner is our note for today, which is B natural, and we play this B natural first and second valve. B natural lives above the fifth line or the top line of our bass clef. Two 16th notes and an eighth note is our rhythm pattern. In our last video, the 16th notes were at the end following the eighth note. Remember, we called that rhythm blueberry? Well, today, the 16th notes are out in front, and the eighth note is behind. I call this the apple pie rhythm because you count it like the words apple pie. 1 E end, 2 E end, 3 E end, 4 E end. We'll get practice using our apple pie rhythm right away with number 45. Hey, 45 has the rhythm pattern or the syllables like our rhythm pattern. 45, 45. 1 E end, 2 E end. Let's put it to good use. Here's number 45. It's B naturals, E naturals, A naturals. There are no sharps or flats in our exercise. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's play that again. 1 and 2 E and ready and go. Now, in that exercise, if you've made any mistakes, pause, practice, rewind, and review so that you're really great and good to go with your 2/16th and an 8th rhythm pattern. Next up is a song called Tafta Hindi. This is an Arabic folk song. If you look closely, you'll see a repeat sign at the end of measure 4. We'll play measure 1, 2, 3, and 4 twice before moving on to measure 5. Also, B flats, E flats, and A flats, except for in measure 4. In measure 4, we've got a B natural, like at the top of our page, our new note. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, set, go. Let's do it from measure 5 to the end. Start at measure 5. 1 and 2, ready and go. After that comes a French-Canadian folk song, number 42. Now, on this exercise, we've got to repeat the last 4 measures of the line 2. So start at the beginning and play all first line and all of the second line. Then repeat the last 4 measures. But wait, we're not done just yet because there is a D, C, Al fine. Remember way back on in our book, we learned D, C, Al fine means go back to the beginning and play to the word fine. So we'll have to remember to do that as well. Let's give it a try. I know we can do it. From the beginning, number 47. 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and a ready, set, go. If you need to pause and practice that one, that's okay. Remember, we won't ever be able to truly play anything perfectly, absolutely perfectly, the very first time without a little bit of practice. So, if you make some small mistakes, go back and try them again. Try to aim to master every exercise you can to the best of your ability. You'll grow as a baritonist, and then as you grow, you'll be able to play harder and harder exercises. We've got Pas de Pan next. It's a French folk song. It's in cut time. This piece has B flats, E flats, A flats, and D flats. But most importantly, remember the cut time. The values of our notes are cut in half. Whole notes get 2. Half notes get 1. Quarter notes get half. And eighth notes, well, in cut time, they sound like 16th notes. Let's play Pas de Pan. 1 and 2 and go. Do you know what sounds like 2 16th notes and an eighth note? In cut time, it would be 2 eighth notes and a quarter note. That's right, 2 eighths and a quarter is our rhythm pattern, 2 16ths and an eighth, but in cut time. Our last exercise is number 49. It's the accent on baritone. And this one will sound like it should be played from the stands at the big game. I think you'll know what I mean when we play it. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1 and a 2 and ready, go. And there you have it, page 14 of our Accent Book 2. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll use this video again if you need more practice. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.